So this is the unboxing of the Golden Technology Golden LiteRider. This is a 3-wheel scooter. So when you get your box, it'll probably come on a pallet. Now right now it's sitting on the ground, but it'd be sitting on a pallet. And the first thing you would do is get yourself a good knife and then cut these blue straps off. And then you would just open this up like this, like this. Now I've never opened one of these, so this is all new to me too. So there's a lot of, so when you look inside the box right here, on top of the box, you will have in this plastic, this is your second basket that goes under the seat, so we'll put that over here. You also have your flag that comes automatically with this scooter. And you have your front basket and your charger, put those all on the ground. And then we have the owner's manual sitting on top right here. Put that in the basket. Get rid of the stuffing. The tiller is here, so what we're going to do is we're going to raise this tiller. If it doesn't raise, the tiller is, let me show you the tiller. This is called the tiller right here, this portion. If it doesn't raise up, loosen it up over here so it can raise up. Because you need to raise it up to get the rest of the foam out. So we're going to get the rest of the foam out. So actually, this is very well packed. Now you can see the seat is right here. Take the seat out. Put the seat on the ground. And now we have some more bubble wrap to take out. And some more in the back. So that, yeah, this is very well packed. I'm very happy with the way they packed this. They really packed it properly. A lot of times these companies, they put a lot of foam and they don't pack them really well. So now you've got the battery pack here. And what I would do with the battery pack, you can see they have it strapped down with a heavy duty strap. So be careful when you cut this strap, you don't hurt your finger. Take the strap out. What I would do is I would pull the battery out. This is the battery pack, pull it out. So now we have the frame left in here, okay? So a couple ways. If you have 2 people, you can lift it right out. If you have 2 people, since I'm by myself, the best way to do it is this way. Bring your box forward. If you have a good knife, you can do this. Drop it down. There's your scooter. And now you can just roll it out by lifting the rear up a little bit. By lifting the rear up, you can roll it out, or you can put it in neutral. There's a lever right here, a yellow lever. If you move it, now it rolls. See that? So if you're in the box, you can always move the yellow lever where my hand is right here and put it in neutral and roll it right out of the box like this, okay? So now, the only thing left in the box, in the bottom of the box, under the scooter, are these 2 arms. So now, what we're going to do now, we're going to remove this box out of the way. All right, folks, so we've got the scooter here, and we've just put the keys. The keys are in your, they were in your owner's manual's bag, so I took the key out. I'm going to put the key in here. Now you would want to slide your battery pack in here, but you remember earlier when it was in the box, I pulled the battery pack out of the scooter. Well, the company, just to make sure the battery pack is not connected right away to the scooter, even though it was in there, they put 2 little plastic tabs in here. So you have to remove those. You can see right here, little plastic squares. They're the bottom where the batteries would lay down. So these were there to protect the scooter from the battery being pushed all the way in and the power being in the scooter. So you have to replace, take these little, it says remove to activate. It says right on it. Remove those little tabs. Then you'll take your battery pack with the slots right here in the bottom. Those slots go down first. So you slide your battery pack in here, and now the battery pack is in there, okay? The next thing I would do, I would take the second basket, and it just sits here, and once it reaches the magnet, it's got 2 magnets here and 2 magnets over here. Once it touches the magnet, it's not going anywhere. There we go. Then I would probably put the basket on. So when you put the basket, you just put it in the slots, push it in. Next thing I would do is I would put the seat on. Now, it's probably easier to take the plastic off before you put the seat on. So we're going to take the plastic off. There we go. The easiest part is the hardest part, huh? Put the seat on, and the seat locks automatically. Then you'll take your two arms, one for the left side, and they slide in under the seat, but they will not slide in until you loosen up these knobs over here. So if you, right now you can see, if the knob was not loosened up, it wouldn't go in. So loosen up the knob, put the arms in, almost touching your seat, and then tighten up the knobs. When you tighten up the knob, it takes all the play out of the arm. You gotta do the same thing on both sides. And the last thing you have is the flag that came with your scooter. The flag mounts right here in this little corner. There's a slot right there for your flag. You can see it going in there, okay? So folks, and then you put your two pieces together, and then you turn the power on, and we're going back and forth, and you can take the tape off the front of the light. This is your light. So folks, this is how to take the Golden Technology Golden LiteRider 3-wheel scooter out of the box and put it together. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.